Hello there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix lagging iPhone after the iOS 17 update. Don't worry, I have been there too. It's super frustrating when your iPhone is slow and unresponsive. But the good news is that there are some simple fixes you can try to get things back to normal. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is restart your iPhone. I know this might sound obvious, but you would be surprised how often a simple restart can fix whole bunch of problems. It clears out temporary memories and gives your iPhone a fresh restart. So you have to open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then move to the next step. Next step is update your apps. Sometimes outdated apps can cause conflicts with the new iOS version and lead to the performance issues. So make sure all your apps are up to date. Open the App Store on your iPhone, tap on your profile picture on the top right corner, scroll down, and you can see an option Updated Apps. You can then update all your apps at once or update them individually. So guys, if this still doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is disable background app refresh. Background app refresh allows apps to refresh their content in the background, even when you are not using them. This can drain your battery and slow down your phone. To disable background app refresh, you have to open your settings, then go to your general, tap on background app refresh, again tap on it, and simply disable it. If this doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our step number 4 is free up storage space. A lack of storage space can also cause your iPhone to lag. So if you're running low on space, you will need to free some space. You can do this by deleting old photos and videos, uninstalling unused apps, and offloading unused apps. To offload an app, you have to simply open your settings, go to your channel, go to iPhone storage, and tap on the app you want to offload, and then simply tap on offload option. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I would suggest you to reset your all settings. If none of the other fixes works, you can try setting your all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open your settings, tap on your general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching.